funky.
Hello guys, it's your girl Rashmi and welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys my absolute Amazon favorite purchases. Now I have a Prime account, so I am buying a lot of things on Amazon. I buy stuff related to beauty, lifestyle, self-care, home, organization. It could be literally anything. I must say I am addicted to Amazon. So I thought it would be a fun little video to share with you guys my Amazon favorites. So if you guys like this type of videos, make sure to give a big thumbs up because I buy a lot of things on Amazon and would love to share it with you guys. Also, I'll be leaving the link in the description box below for all the products mentioned in this video. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first product which I absolutely love is this facial mist steamer. This is the product from Pure and you can use this for the facial steamer, humidifier, which is right here. You have different options and also you can warm your towel and use it. I use this day-to-day basis because we are in quarantine and everything is literally closed. The best thing which I love about this product is you can add essential oil. I usually add tea tree oil or eucalyptus oil. So basically you fill the water here and you just insert it and you plug it in and you can just use it. Works for your skin and sinuses. So definitely been my absolute favorite. The next product which I want to share with you guys is this Louis Vuitton Duo pouch. So this is the pouch which I use now on day-to-day basis because I literally hook this to my car keys or home keys and just put a bunch of stuff like credit cards, the essential stuff like credit card or license. You can also put some cash. It's pretty handy and it's pretty good. As you can see, the real product is about, I'll be leaving the link here, and this is about I think $7 to $8 if I'm not wrong, and it's really good. So I would highly recommend you guys. This is a great dupe for Louis Vuitton pouch. The next thing is another cute little thing. This is an AirPod case which is a replica of Coco Chanel perfume bottle, and I think this is really cute, and this is about $10. This comes with this pom-pom kind of keychain and it also came with the chain, but I'm not sure where to put it, so I just put this holder thing here. I think this is really cute and I am absolutely loving this. The next product is my absolute favorite and it is the Chanel dupe belt. As you can see, I really love the quality of this dupe Chanel belt. I have been using this for about a month or maybe more than a month and the quality is quite impressive. I think this is a complete replica of a Chanel belt with their logo. The next favorite is from the self-care category and this is this jade roller. I use this a lot after washing my face, and whenever I apply a sheet mask, I'll be just going in the rolling circular direction on my face and it helps with the blood circulation and it helps with wrinkles and it's really good for your face. So I've been using this quite a lot, and sometimes I also use for the dark circles and puffiness of the eye because I literally keep this in the freezer, and in the morning whenever I think I have puffy eye, I would just take it out and use it on my eyes, and this has been a life-changing product. The next product is from the essentials section. It is this mask. So this is how the mask looks like, and this is really good and comfortable. It doesn't hurt the ears and it covers the face completely fine because I have tried those other pro type face masks and I literally felt like I was suffocated to death. So this is so comfortable and this is also disposable and environment friendly. So if you are looking for a good face mask, then I would highly recommend you guys to look into this. The next product is another of my absolute favorite, and this is this bow tie headband, and I use this a lot nowadays whenever I'm washing my face or whenever I'm applying a face mask. I think they're so cute. Comes in a 3-pack. So the next product is this scalp massager and it looks like this. If you can see, it has the the pointed thing and it's made of rubber and not plastic, and basically if you use this, it increases the blood circulation. Supposedly when you're washing your hairs, you might have a dandruff issue, you can just do a circular motion on your scalp and it helps in cleaning the scalp. And sometimes I also use when I'm applying oil or mask on my hairs. The next item which I don't think I can live without now and have been completely dependent on, this water bottle. This is a half-gallon water bottle and I try to finish 2 of these in a day because I'm trying to drink 1 gallon of water, and it comes with this timings and some motivational quotes or things. So 9 p.m. you're supposed to finish till here 10. It has timings, so it's been really helpful in keeping track of how much of water I'm drinking. So the next product is this wines which are hanging on the wall. I have just done the room decor and I absolutely love them. It comes in a combo pack with this kind of leaves, and there are different types of leaves and this wine, and I absolutely love this. And if you are looking for a room decor to add some greens to your room, then definitely do check it out. So the next thing which I wanted to share with you guys, sorry about the angle, because I wanted to show those string lights which I have recently purchased. And basically it comes with this remote which has different light features which you can put. You can change the light, you can change the time and speed, and also change it to jump, which it's doing right now, and it changes into different colors. If you are looking for a good quality string lights, then definitely do check out the link. Hopefully this video was useful for you guys. Do let me know in the comment section below which are your favorite Amazon products, and with that I'll see you guys next time. Bye.